In the heart of rugged terrain, where challenges meet skill, a remarkable journey unfolds. Today, we witness an extraordinary feat, a daring river crossing that tests the limits of both skill and technology. As powerful excavators prepare to conquer nature's obstacles, we delve into the realm of these modern giants. Join us as we explore their incredible power, precision, and the unmatched bravery of the operators who command them. Cat 336. Excavator. The journey begins as the Cat 336 excavator, a powerful beast of metal and hydraulics, makes its way to the riverbank. This machine, weighing in at 36 metric tons, is equipped with a 6-cylinder, turbocharged engine capable of producing 311 horsepower. The operator, with years of experience and an unwavering focus, sits in the cabin, hands steady on the controls. The excavator's tracks, designed to provide maximum traction on rough ground, crunch over the rocky terrain, each movement calculated to perfection. As the machine reaches the edge of the river, the challenge becomes clear. The water flows swiftly, a natural barrier that few would dare to cross. But with expert precision, the operator guides the Cat 336 into the water. The tracks churn against the riverbed, and the bucket is used strategically to maintain balance and stability. The excavator's hydraulics hiss and groan as they counter the forces of the current, demonstrating the machine's immense power and versatility. The Cat 336's advanced hydraulic system allows for smooth and precise movements, crucial for navigating the treacherous waters. Komatsu PC210. Supporting this endeavor is the Komatsu PC210, another mighty excavator designed for challenging tasks. Positioned strategically, the PC210 assists in monitoring and managing the river crossing, ready to intervene if needed. Its presence adds an extra layer of safety and efficiency to the operation. The Komatsu PC210, with its 23-ton operating weight and 158 horsepower engine, stands as a sentinel on the riverbank, prepared to assist at a moment's notice. As the Cat 336 continues its passage, the Komatsu PC210 operator keeps a vigilant eye on the process, ensuring that every maneuver is executed flawlessly. The PC210's robust design and precise control mechanisms make it an essential support machine in this high-stakes operation. The synergy between the two excavators showcases the importance of teamwork and coordination in overcoming formidable challenges. The PC210's advanced monitoring systems provide real-time feedback, aiding in the precise adjustments needed for a successful crossing. Volvo EC220E. On standby is the Volvo EC220E, known for its exceptional versatility and strength. The EC220E is prepared to provide additional support, ensuring that every aspect of the river crossing is meticulously handled. Its advanced hydraulic system and robust build make it an invaluable asset in such demanding situations. Weighing in at 22 tons and powered by a 174 horsepower engine, the Volvo EC220E offers a perfect balance of power and precision. The Volvo EC220E operator remains alert, ready to spring into action should any unexpected challenges arise. The machine's flexibility and power are critical assets, offering the capability to respond swiftly and effectively to any situation. The EC220E's presence underscores the need for comprehensive planning and preparedness in heavy equipment operations. The machine's advanced telemetry systems allow for precise tracking of operational parameters, ensuring optimal performance. John Deere 470 GLC, adding to the robust lineup, is the John Deere 470 GLC, a heavyweight contender in the world of excavators. This machine, with its 48-ton operating weight and a 367-horsepower engine, brings unparalleled power to the operation. The John Deere 470 GLC stands by, ready to tackle any heavy lifting or digging tasks that may arise during the crossing. The operator of the John Deere 470 GLC, a seasoned veteran, remains vigilant. His experience and the excavator's formidable capabilities combine to provide a crucial safety net. The presence of the John Deere 470 GLC highlights the necessity of having powerful machinery ready to handle any situation that might exceed the capabilities of smaller excavators. The machine's advanced hydraulic and control systems ensure that even the most demanding tasks are handled with precision and efficiency. Hitachi ZX350LC6. Another key player in this operation is the Hitachi ZX350LC6. Known for its efficiency and reliability, the ZX350LC6 is equipped with a 271-horsepower engine and an operating weight of 35 tons. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth and precise movements, making it an invaluable asset in delicate situations. The Hitachi ZX350LC6 operator is focused and skilled, using the machine's capabilities to assist in stabilizing the river crossing. The ZX350LC6's ability to perform precise maneuvers under challenging conditions is a testament to Hitachi's engineering excellence. The operator's deft handling of the machine ensures that every aspect of the crossing is meticulously executed. The machine's state-of-the-art control systems allow for precise adjustments, enhancing the operator's ability to navigate complex scenarios with ease. Liebherr R950. Entering the scene is the Liebherr R950, recognized for its robust design and impressive performance metrics. With a hefty 50-ton operating weight and a powerful 394-horsepower engine, the R950 excels in heavy-duty applications such as large-scale excavation and material handling. Its advanced hydraulic system delivers exceptional lifting capacity and precise control, making it an ideal choice for challenging terrain like river crossings. The Liebherr R950 operator, equipped with extensive training and experience, orchestrates strategic maneuvers to navigate the river's currents and depths. The machine's ergonomic cabin features and state-of-the-art control interfaces enhance operator productivity and comfort during prolonged operations. Liebherr's dedication to innovation and reliability ensures that the R950 meets the highest standards of performance in demanding construction environments. Doosan DX530 AOLC. Joining the expedition is the Doosan DX530 OLC, renowned for its robust build and superior performance capabilities. With an operating weight of 53 tons and a 394-horsepower engine, the DX530 LC excels in heavy excavation tasks requiring precision and power. Its advanced hydraulic system enables smooth and efficient movements, essential for maintaining stability and control during river crossings. The Doosan DX530 OLC operator, seasoned in managing complex operations, leverages the machine's capabilities to execute precise maneuvers in challenging river conditions. The excavator's ergonomic design and intuitive control features optimize operator comfort and operational efficiency, ensuring consistent performance under demanding circumstances. Doosan's commitment to durability and innovation makes the DX530 OLC a trusted partner in achieving project success. Kobelco SK210OH. Adding versatility to the fleet is the Kobelco SK210H, known for its hybrid technology and eco-friendly performance. With a 21-ton operating weight and a hybrid engine delivering 177 horsepower, the SK210H combines power with fuel efficiency, reducing environmental impact without compromising on performance. Its advanced hydraulic system provides precise control, enhancing maneuverability and operational flexibility in diverse construction settings. The Kobelco SK210H operator, trained in maximizing hybrid technology benefits, navigates the river crossing with efficiency and environmental responsibility in mind. The Excavator's innovative hybrid engine reduces fuel consumption and emissions, making it an ideal choice for sustainable construction practices. Kobelco's dedication to eco-friendly solutions ensures that the SK210H meets stringent environmental regulations while delivering exceptional performance on site. Case construction, CX330D, bringing robust performance to the operation, is the case construction CX330D, renowned for its power and versatility in heavy-duty applications. With a 36-ton operating weight and a 268 horsepower engine, the CX330D excels in digging and material handling tasks that demand precision and efficiency. Its advanced hydraulic system provides responsive control, enabling smooth operation in challenging river conditions. The Case CX330D operator, equipped with specialized training and expertise, executes strategic maneuvers to ensure safe and efficient river crossing operations. The Excavator's ergonomic cabin design and intuitive controls enhance operator comfort and productivity during extended work hours. Case Construction's commitment to innovation and durability makes the CX330D a trusted choice for tackling complex construction challenges with confidence. Hyundai HX480L. Completing the lineup is the Hyundai HX480L, recognized for its power, efficiency, and operator-centric design. With a robust 48-ton operating weight and a 362 horsepower engine, the HX480L delivers superior performance in heavy excavation and earth-moving tasks. Its advanced hydraulic system offers precise control and enhanced lifting capabilities, ensuring optimal productivity and safety during river crossings. The Hyundai HX480L operator, skilled in managing dynamic construction environments, utilizes the Excavator's capabilities to navigate the river's challenges with precision. The machine's ergonomic features and state-of-the-art technology interfaces prioritize operator comfort and operational efficiency, supporting sustained performance under demanding conditions. Hyundai's commitment to innovation and customer-centric solutions makes the HX480L a reliable partner in achieving project success. New Holland E345CLC. The New Holland E345CLC is celebrated for its robust performance and reliability in construction environments. With a powerful 268 horsepower engine and weighing 45 tons, it offers exceptional power and versatility. Engineered with advanced hydraulic systems, the E345CLC provides precise control and maneuverability, essential for handling complex tasks such as river crossings and heavy material handling. Its ergonomic cabin design prioritizes operator comfort and efficiency, supporting prolonged productivity on construction sites. New Holland's commitment to innovation and durability ensures that the E345CLC stands out as a dependable choice for demanding construction projects, capable of delivering consistent performance under challenging conditions. JCB JS370. The JCB JS370 is recognized for its strength, agility, and innovative features, making it a formidable contender in construction operations. With a 281 horsepower engine and an operating weight of 37 tons, it combines power with efficiency. Engineered with advanced hydraulic systems, the JS370 offers precise control and maneuverability, crucial for navigating diverse terrains and executing complex tasks such as river crossings. Its ergonomic cab design enhances operator comfort and visibility, supporting enhanced productivity and safety on construction sites. JCB's commitment to performance and reliability makes the JS370 a trusted choice for construction professionals seeking robust equipment capable of meeting the most demanding project requirements. SANY SY365C. The SANY SY365C is renowned for its efficiency, durability, and powerful performance in construction applications. With a 252 horsepower engine and weighing 36 tons, it delivers robust power and stability. Engineered with advanced hydraulic systems, the SY365C offers precise control and efficiency, essential for navigating challenging terrains and executing precise operations such as river crossings. Its ergonomic design prioritizes operator comfort and safety, enabling sustained productivity over long work hours. SANY's dedication to innovation and quality ensures that the SY365C remains a reliable choice for construction professionals tackling rigorous projects, demonstrating exceptional performance and durability in demanding environments. Sumitomo SH350. The Sumitomo SH350 is acclaimed for its reliability, performance, and operational efficiency in construction applications. With a 270 horsepower engine and an operating weight of 35 tons, it offers robust power and precision. Engineered with advanced hydraulic systems, the SH350 delivers smooth and controlled movements, crucial for stabilizing river crossings and executing intricate tasks in challenging environments. Its ergonomic cab design and intuitive controls prioritize operator comfort and efficiency, supporting enhanced productivity and safety on construction sites. Sumitomo's commitment to engineering excellence and customer satisfaction makes the SH350 a preferred choice for construction professionals seeking durable and high-performance equipment capable of meeting diverse project requirements. Volvo EC480E. The Volvo EC480E is renowned for its high performance, durability, and versatility in heavy-duty construction applications. With a powerful 395 horsepower engine and weighing 48 tons, it offers exceptional power and efficiency. Engineered with advanced hydraulic systems, the EC480E delivers precise control and maneuverability, crucial for handling complex tasks such as river crossings and heavy material handling. Its robust construction and reinforced components ensure reliability and durability in demanding environments, reflecting Volvo's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. The EC480E's ergonomic design and user-friendly controls enhance operator comfort and productivity, supporting sustained performance and safety on construction sites. Conclusion. As the day ends on this daring river crossing, the skill of operators and power of machines shine bright. From the CAT 336's strength to the Volvo EC480E's reliability, each excavator has proven its ability in tough terrain. These machines not only show power, but also innovation, setting new standards for safety and efficiency. Reflecting on this journey, one thing is clear. These operators and machines are ready for any challenge. Follow, share, or like for more incredible moments and insights into heavy equipment operations.